Okay, everybody, I'm gonna walk straight back from here. We're gonna see if we can do our yellow basket challenge, or bucket challenge, we'll call it. This is about 30 feet, about 40. There's our friend with the lawnmower again. Hi, buddy. Just gonna keep casting because he's kind of nosy, I think. There we go, nice cast right there next to the bucket. See that? There we go, right next to the bucket. If I want to go in the bucket, I'm gonna have to bring in a little line. We'll bring it up, and we'll just cast it right there on the bucket. There we go. That took a little bit of a turn for. We're getting close, but no cigar. That's a little off to the side. There we go. Okay, let's try a little different angle now.